Hello, welcome back to Imagenish videos. Today, we're diving deep into the mouth-watering world of Mexican cuisine, focusing on one of its most iconic dishes, al pastor. Get ready to uncover some unknown facts about this flavorful delight that will leave your taste buds tingling. Introduction to al pastor. Al pastor, meaning, in the style of the shepherd, is a true masterpiece that has found its way into the hearts and stomachs of food enthusiasts around the world. But did you know that this delicious creation has a fascinating history? The history of al pastor. Our journey begins in the 1920s when Lebanese immigrants brought their shawarma technique to Mexico. The locals then added their own flair, transforming it into what we now know as al pastor. The marinated, spit-grilled meat became an instant sensation on the streets of Mexico City. The unique marinade. What sets al pastor apart is its distinctive marinade. While it typically includes achiote, guajillo chilies, pineapple, and various spices, each taquero has their secret recipe. The addition of pineapple not only adds sweetness but also serves as a natural meat tenderizer. The art of the vertical grill. One of the most visually stunning aspects of al pastor is the vertical spit, or trompo, where layers of marinated meat are stacked onto a rotating vertical grill. This method allows the meat to cook evenly and absorb the flavors of the spices, resulting in that irresistible taste. Now, let's talk about the symphony of flavors when it comes to al pastor tacos. The crispy edges, the succulent and well-seasoned meat, topped with cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime, it's a harmonious blend that dances on your palate. As you travel through Mexico, you'll encounter regional variations. Some places use different meats like beef or chicken, and the marinades may vary. It's a celebration of diversity within a single, mouth-watering concept. Al pastor goes global. While al pastor originated in Mexico, its popularity has transcended borders. You can now find al pastor tacos in food trucks, restaurants, and festivals worldwide, showcasing the global appeal of this delectable treat. Have you ever wondered why it's called al pastor? Turns out, the name has a connection to its history. Originally, the dish was made with lamb, and the term pastor refers to the shepherds who herded the sheep. Even though pork is more common today, the name stuck. The secret ingredient, achiote. A key player in the al pastor marinade is achiote, a reddish-brown spice derived from the seeds of the annatto tree. Apart from its earthy flavor, achiote also gives al pastor its vibrant color. It's like the hidden artist behind the scenes. The pineapple connection. Why pineapple, you ask? Well, besides adding a touch of sweetness, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that acts as a natural meat tenderizer. So, not only does it contribute to the flavor, but it also makes the meat oh so tender. The evolution of the vertical grill. The vertical grill, or trompo, is an art in itself. Originally, it was manually turned, but with modern advancements, electric spits have become more common. However, some taqueros argue that the traditional manual rotation imparts a unique touch to the meat. Al pastor's influence on other dishes. Did you know that al pastor has inspired other dishes? In some regions, you'll find al pastor pizza, burgers, and even sushi. The versatility of these flavors has sparked culinary creativity around the globe. The midnight magic. There's something magical about al pastor at midnight. Many taquerias open late, and al pastor becomes the go-to comfort food after a night out. The art of slicing. Ever wonder why al pastor meat is thinly sliced? The art lies in the texture. Thin slices maximize the surface area, allowing each piece to soak up the marinade. While recipes vary, it's commonly made with a blend of chili peppers, garlic, vinegar, and spices. The symbolism of the pineapple. Beyond its flavor and tenderizing properties, the pineapple in al pastor carries symbolic meaning. In Mexican culture, the pineapple represents hospitality and warmth. So, when you see that slice of pineapple on your al pastor taco, it's like a welcoming gesture from the chef. Al pastor's rise to taco royalty. It wasn't until the mid-20th century that it found its true calling as the reigning monarch of tacos. The midnight taco ritual. Here's a fascinating tidbit. The tradition of enjoying al pastor late at night isn't just about convenience. If you've got any surprising al pastor stories or facts, Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.